In the last video, I showed you guys how to make a Sunday gravy. I keep calling it brown sauce. I don't know why. It's Sunday gravy. And the Sunday gravy, as described in that last video, and I'll post the link in the description, it can just be thrown onto some pasta with the meatballs and Parmesan on top, and it's amazing. We're gonna be taking it up a level in this video, and we're gonna be doing a baked ziti with it. I have KitchenAid pasta making attachments, but I don't have like a ziti attachment. The closest I have is rigatoni. If you wanna see how to make rigatoni from scratch, I'm gonna link that video in the description as well. I made a vodka penne or vodka rigatoni. The whole first half of that video is just me making the pasta from scratch using those attachments. It's super fun, super easy once you've done it once. And oh my gosh, homemade pasta just takes your cooking to the next level. And then in my most recent cooking video, I showed you guys how to make that Sunday gravy. Definitely take a look at that, make your Sunday gravy. And remember, when you make the meatballs, make them smaller, not like the bigger, chunkier meatballs, because you want it to all fit in nicely into the baked ziti. How do we make baked ziti, you may ask? To start off with, you need a pound of ziti. So you can buy the store-bought, you can make your own. If you have those KitchenAid attachments, you can definitely make rigatoni instead. You need salt, you need Sunday gravy with little meatballs. You need those little meatballs. 1 cup of your freshly grated pecorino romano or parmigiano reggiano. My pronunciation, I'm so sorry. Our business partner is Italian and his whole family follows me on social media, and like they're probably cringing right now. 1 cup of ricotta, 8 ounces of mozzarella cut into small dices. Small dices? Small dice. Small dices? I don't know. So to begin, you want to bring at least 4 quarts of water to a boil in a large pot. Add in your pasta, salt to taste, cook, stirring frequently until the pasta is al dente, which means it's tender yet firm to the bite. You really don't want to overcook it because you're going to be baking it later as well. Meanwhile, you're going to remove all those meats, including the meatballs, from the gravy. Set the pork and veal aside with the sausage. Those actually do not go into this dish. Those can be eaten as like a second course. You can save them for leftovers, whatever you want to do with them. They're going to be delicious because they've been like slow cooked in all those juices. Once your pasta's finished cooking, drain it, put it in a large bowl, toss it with about 3 cups of the gravy and half of the grated cheese. Stir in the meatballs, and then you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spoon half the ziti into a shallow 3 1/4 quart baking dish. Spread the ricotta on top, sprinkle with mozzarella, and then half of the remaining grated cheese. And top with the remaining ziti, sprinkle with the remaining grated cheese, like you're layering it, thought like a lasagna, you know. Cover the dish with foil. At this stage, if you want to make all of your stuff ahead of time, you can just cover it with foil, stick it in the fridge, and then about 30 minutes before baking, you bring it out to warm up a little bit. So that's a great option, especially if you want to make it the night before. You have your ziti, whatever pasta shape you want, ready to go. You're going to bake it in that oven for about 45 minutes. From there, you uncover it and you bake for 15 to 30 minutes longer, or until the center is hot and the sauce is bubbling around the edges. Cover it and let it stand for 15 minutes before serving.
That's it? Big ziti? Like, you kidding me with this shit?
Mwah, mwah. If you like what you saw here today and you're interested in cooking with me more or any other topic that we talk about on my channels, I do a lot of hobby farming. I run with my goats. We rescue dogs and cats. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't know exactly what I'm going to be making next week. Ooh, maybe if you guys have ideas, let me know. I'm honestly up for anything. If you guys have a type of food or recipe that you're really interested in seeing, send it to me. I'll give it a try. Thanks for watching.